News this evening. Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips has stage 3 colon cancer, but his doctors say it's curable. Government to extend nightly curfew and border control measures, and National Arena to be converted to a temporary field hospital to treat COVID-19 patients. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. We also have the Business Day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to news that opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips has stage 3 colon cancer?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.